What's up, guys? This is another wig tutorial video. So we all have those bad days where our hair needs to be washed, it needs to be conditioned, it is just dirty, but you don't have the time because you have to go to work or school and you just need a quick style. In this video, I am going to show you what I do when I have those days. These protective braids have been in my head for over weeks now, and I need to wash my hair, but I don't have time. I get a lot of compliments when I wear this wig, and most of the time I'm wearing it over a hot mess on top of my hair. So keep watching if you want to see how I got this style. So the wig I have in is Model Eco brand and the style Swizzle. Now the wig I have in this video is not brand new. It's been worn. I like when it's been worn because it looks more natural that way, but out of the bag is more silkier. If you don't like the silky look, just take a brush to it and brush out the silkiness and it'll become a little bit more coarse or frizzy. Here is my old worn wig. The wig comes with two combs, one long comb at the top and one long comb at the bottom. These wigs are constructed very well and they are sturdy. These wigs last me a long time. It's very easy. All I do is put the wig at the top of my hair, leaving some of the front out. Here you see a lot of makeup in my hair, and I also have gray hairs. So yes, my hair is very dirty, but I just need to wear this wig for like a day. You want to pull out some of your natural hair. I'm gonna have to use some water to get rid of some of that makeup in my hair, but like I said, this is for a bad day, so all you have to do is take a water bottle and spray it in your hair to get rid of some of that makeup or dirt, whatever you have in your hair that needs to get you throughout the day. So this is pretty much all I do. I literally put the wig on top of my hair. Then if I want to gel down some baby hair, which I normally don't do because I'm looking rough and I really don't care about baby hairs at this step, but I'm just doing it for the video. So as you see, like, I have makeup in my hair and I have everything, and I probably was running to the grocery store or something, but it definitely would get me through the day. But I don't do this on camera, but off camera I go back and try to get some of that makeup out of my hair with some water. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. This wig is the perfect wig to get you through that bad hair day, and also get you compliments. You will get all kind of compliments wearing this hair. So like I said, take a brush to it to make it more frizzy, more coarse, to blend in with your natural hair if you have my hair type. And that is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right?